friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for Walgreens for the week of August the 16th to the 22nd. That means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, hitting for the box on the left-hand side with the green check. That's how you order it. Driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. For any deals with Walgreens Cash, a little bit after you pick it up, it should post in your account. Alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with register rewards and seeing what you're buying and you're not about shopping online, I understand. I will post yesterday's video at the very end, and I'll let you guys know I was in store rolling these deals that I was showing, and man, those register rewards were printing, and this is in-store only where these little things print, not curbside for all the new shoppers. With all this great information provided, if you guys could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. Let's not waste any more time and just get into deal number one. Okay, so for deal number one, you're going to need one booster loaded, which is a $5 back when you buy 3. I believe most accounts should have this exact one. We got it the Wednesday previous. You just load it at the top of your digital coupons folder. Now, for this one, we're going to grab an assortment of Olay products, and I will tell you about it in a quick second. We also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you're going to have to load. Go below it, press the plus button to add that coupon. So one of the bar soaps, one of the Olay ribbons, and then one of the just regular body washes, Old Faithful here. Yeah, so you're going to load one of each at $8 a pop, so that's $24 into your basket. And then to show you that 5 off of 3 is coming off, along with WAG 10 shaving off an additional $1.90 off. Okay, so for this basket, it's exactly $24, $1.90 shaved off with WAG 10, $5 digital melting off, so $18.43. You can use up to $10 in Walgreens Cash. This is not a spend booster deal, and you're getting back the 5. When you go to get your order, please ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt. Why you need that physical receipt is over on IBOTTA, there's $1 back for each of these products, valid at Walgreens. Double, triple check your IBOTTA account that you have the same rebates as I'm describing. Very important. After you're getting your $4.50 back, it's basically like $2 and some change per Olay, which is definitely a stock up price. Okay, deal number 2. This is probably a really good back to school one. It is to pick up 3 of these packs of the Cherry Chapstick, Original Moisture, or just Original. Has to be one of those 3. They are $4.99 a pop, so 3 of them is $14.97. If you remember a couple weeks back, we had a 4 off of 3 digital coupon. If you still might have it, it's applying to this. And you can also use the code WAG10 to save an additional $1.10 off. We're all trying to save a couple dollars and cents here. So that's why I think doing this deal curbside is the best way. $14.97 subtracting WAG10 and then that $4 digital. The total is $10.70. Use up to $10 in Walgreens Cash. When you go to the store, ask the cashier in the nicest way, hey, could you process this through a regular register so I can get a receipt? Because over on IBOTTA, there's $3 back, $1 per pack. And it's specific to Classic Orange, Classic Cherry, or Original Moisture. So make sure you're not grabbing some weird, Mojito pack or the Minions one. And I also did scan Minions from the comforts of my home. Minions is not attaching. It has to be one of these 3 cents, the original cents, to get that rebate. So if there's some on clearance in your store, you can always scan, but it's got to be those classic flavors or scents or whatever. Okay, let's hop to deal number 3. For this one, we are going to be grabbing a ragtag of products. We're going to put in 2 of the Venus razors for $17.98. There's also another razor that's $8.99 on the men's and $8.99 on the women's. If you see that the promotion buy 2 get $8 back in Walgreens cash, you know you're grabbing the right one. And we have a $5 and a $3 digital. That's $8 in digital coupons. We're also grabbing 2 of the Dove shampoos, and we have a 4 off of 2 coupon. Buy 2 of these, get $4 back in Walgreens cash online. So if your store never prints register rewards, this is kind of a little bypass to do it this way. For whatever dumb reason, I can only add 1 Dove scent per, so that's why I only have 1 pictured. And then 2 of the Nivea men's body wash for $10. We have a $1 digital coupon. Buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, so not bad. The final item that I grabbed, but if you can't get this thing to work, maybe it's the best thing to do is to exclude the Tide Pods, but I added this to try to fatten up the basket to $12.99, and we have a $3 coupon attaching to this. Now, why I wanted to juggle a $50 basket is because there's a code AUG10 that's supposed to take $10 off. There's one of these items, it's not working on my end, but if you look at each item individually, it says it's supposed to. WAG10 will, AUG10 will not. And then for some beauty products, AUG10 is working perfectly. I don't know why it's not working for me, but sometimes the first couple days of Walgreens, this happens. So if you want to just have a little bit of fun adding things, subtracting things, maybe you'll have better luck than I. But if you want a cheaper basket, remove those Tide Pods because this is not a booster deal. But you guys already know that. So the overall total is $50.97, WAG10. So after all of the coupons and my tax, it's $34.32, and I'm getting $17 back in Walgreens cash. 8 for the razors, 4 for the Dove shampoo, and then 5 for the Nivea body wash. Tide is not part of that, so if you just want to remove it for a smaller out-of-pocket, it's the way to go. If you can get the code AUG10 to apply, rock and roll and just keep all these items in the basket. Bit of a trickier one for more advanced shoppers, and yes, you can use Walgreens cash for this one, but it's a weird one this week. As per usual, they didn't give us a spend booster, so you can use your Walgreens cash because most of these offers are buy the following, which means you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. The final basket I have prepared for you is just to grab 2 simple razors, either the $8.99 or $9.99 ones. There's also an alternative travel Venus ladies ones, you know, the one in the little clamshell for travel. We have a $5 and a $3 digital coupon. When you buy 2 of these, you're getting back $8 in Walgreens cash, plus we have $8 in digital coupons. I mean, that's amazing. And then just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, we have $8 in digitals melting off right there. And then we have $1 coming off with WAG10. So if your store is notorious where the register rewards don't print and it's a mess, this is probably the easier way to make something happen and you're saving an extra $1. And don't be shy to look for other Venus and Gillette razors at $8.99 if you just can't find that one specific Venus razor. Our overall total is $17.98, $1 coming off with WAG10, $8 digital melting off, $10. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You're getting back $8, making each razor like $1 each, which is definitely a stock-up price. That is it for the video. If you want to watch yesterday's in-store, watch it linked right here, and we will catch you guys in the next one.